Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about moving your YouTube channel to a different Google account. So perhaps you have switched over to a new email and you want to have your YouTube account associated with one email and not have three different emails you have to sign into. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to begin that process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon in the top right, go ahead and left click on that, and then you want to go down and select where it says settings. On the left side, you want to select advanced settings. And now on the right side where it says move channel to your Google account or to a different brand account. You go ahead and select that. And then you may be asked to provide credential information to ensure that you are the correct account holder. Apparently, it looks like we can't verify myself at the moment here, but you just would follow through the on-screen prompts. It's not that difficult to do that. Again, that was just to verify your current account, and then you would be sent a link to your new account that you wanted to accept the brand account from. It's not a very difficult process. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.